IFRS 16 introduced a single lessee accounting model and requires a lessee to recognize assets and liabilities for all the leases with a term of more than 12 months unless the underlying asset is a low value. A lessee is required to recognize a right of use asset representing its right to use the underlying leased asset and a lease liability representing its obligation to make lease payments. IFRS 16 was issued in January 2016 and applies to annual reporting period beginning on or after 1st of January 2019. IFRS 16 replaces IAS 17. The lease liability is initially measured at the present value of the lease payments payable over the lease term, discounted at the rate implicit in the lease, if that can be readily determined. If that rate cannot be readily determined, then the lessee shall use their incremental borrowing rate. Now we will understand the accounting treatment of lease as per IFRS 16 with this example. First, we will get the present value of asset and lease liability by given details of lease contract. Link of the present value calculator is given in the description box. After using present value calculator, we can see the present value of the lease contract is $73,600.87. First, here we will book two journal entries. First entry would be recording of asset and liability as per the lease contract in the balance sheet. Entry would be asset account debit to lease liability. Second entry will be combined entry of lease payment, depreciation and interest, as you can see on your screen. Now at the end of each year we will post second entry to meet contract's term for lease payment. As you can see on your screen, amortization schedule as per IFRS 16.